The message of physical distancing seemed to be catching on at least for some people in the Coronation Market. It's one of the places where a lot of people tend to gather. KIRK REWS visited the area in downtown Kingston.
A policeman in the Coronation Market on Friday breaking up a game of dominoes as he warned the men to stay apart.
They don't take it serious, other side, them sit down so close.
A police team from the Kingston Western Division patrols and do the best they can. But our checks show that people in the market district are among some of the more reluctant to practice physical distancing. For them, it seems to be business as usual.
When we drink white rum, we can't catch corona.
If they don't see like somebody like what them know, so they're dead from it, then I'm going to take it serious.
The Prime Minister was in the market yesterday encouraging people to maintain the required distance, and there is some hope that this message is catching on.
If we follow these simple procedures, these simple protocols, you can remain safe, remain COVID-free.
For people like Ian Holness and his friends who sell in the market, that message is taking root.
Because we have to do our part to protect ourselves and protect who are around as best as possible, because we understand that this virus is very serious, so we have to be careful how we do it. So we practice social distance. Yes, sanitize yourself, sanitize your hand, and make sure everything clean. Because the government alone can't do it, we have to play for our part as a citizen of this country. Because the full country have to protect it.
Donnet Brown, another vendor who's keeping her distance, says she would support actions other than the curfew if people continue to play deaf to warnings to keep their distance from other persons.
And if we could just close down the country, just that, because first of all, the people who carry the virus, they're calling in them, they're not going in, they are spreading it, so the only thing I see now is for him to lock down the country. Which is fair.
Some people say, boy, they won't survive.
Then if we have if the money now go save we, the money can't save we. You have the money and you're sick and you're dead, gone left. So what is the difference?
KIRK REWS, TVJ News.